He's been able to do on the range. He hit both low and high, and that's what was so impressive. He's been able to control his flight so much. It's coming in low and going pretty good line there.
He'll settle down now. An excellent shot. Tiger's going to have a great look at eagle. Chance to tie for the lead coming up.
He's walking with a lot of confidence.
Of course, Tiger hasn't played a lot this year, but this would only be his third eagle in 2015, if he could make it.
Yeah.